In this video, we'll walk you through the process of exporting data from your CapEx management system. This feature allows you to extract valuable information, such as CapEx requests, budget details, and WBS elements, into an Excel format. This is useful for in-depth analysis, generating reports, or integrating with other business intelligence tools. Let's get started. To begin, navigate to the Help menu and select Export Capex. This will take you to the Data Export page. At the top of the Export page, you'll see a series of tabs. These tabs organize the different categories of data you can export. Let's take a quick look at each one. CapEx Request. Export all details related to CapEx requests. Tracking. Export cost tracking data, including invoices, purchase orders, and receptions. Budgets. Export company budgets and their approval statuses. Contracts. Export contracts created within the CapEx planning module. WBS elements. Export work breakdown structure elements. The WBS identifies asset types and their hierarchical structure, sometimes with many levels. Forecasts. Export your CapEx forecasting projections. The export process is similar for each tab, so we'll cover the common elements. Each tab provides filters to help you export specific data. Here's how the filters work. CapEx Request. Filter by CapEx request name or description. CapEx Initiator. Filter by the person who initiated the CapEx request. For example, you can type a name to find their requests. Date. Filter by year or a specific date range. Organization. Filter by organizational units within your company. The system uses a parent-child hierarchy, as you can see here. Include dependents. This is important. When selected, this option includes all child units within the selected unit. For example, if you select Global Corporation and check Include Dependents, the export will include data for all business units in the company. If you select Group 1 and include dependents, you'll get data for Group 1 and its children, like California Plant and Nevada Plant. Member. Filter by specific people involved in the CapEx request process, such as approvers or creators. Show only the current year. This option will only show CapEx of the current year. These filters allow you to narrow down your export and get exactly the data you need. To save your export settings for future use, you can create templates. Before creating a template, you'll choose which data fields to include. The system lets you select specific fields for export. These fields are organized into groups, such as equipment, cost breakdown, financial detail, savings, attachments, approvals. You can select all fields within a group or choose individual fields. Once you've selected your fields, give your template a name and click Create New Template. This will save your field selection and filter settings. It's important to note that the exported data is structured in columns in the Excel file. Each field you select will become a column in the spreadsheet. This makes it easy to work with the data in Excel or import it into other applications. Once you have set up your filters, selected your fields, and optionally created a template, you are ready to export. The system will generate an Excel file containing your data, ready for further use. That's it. You now know how to export data from your CapEx management system. This feature provides a flexible way to extract the information you need for reporting, analysis, and integration. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please contact our support team.